That is why I was normally buying some comics. The police came. No.
Comic book.
What exactly were you buying?
Comics.
You were peddling
buying
something.
KVPY books.
You actually was checking the tire, but police thought that ये खुद ही की स्कूटी से किसी स्कूटी से पेट्रोल निकाल रहा है. अरे मेरी स्कूटी है यार. और weed or something.
I was buying class 11 KVPY books. KVPY exam, no? I was buying books.
Buying books only to You know why he's saying he's buying books? Because of this.
Namaskaram everyone and welcome to my daily V. Sorry, we couldn't take the previous recipes at Tapeshana shop, but now we are hijacking the full home. After full moon flirtation.
We are comfortable now. So
We are and very hungry.
Auntie said come for dinner whenever you want, like at 10 or something.
We'll come now. We'll have full everything. Now we are comfortable taking video. Earlier we were like decent boys. You didn't. I was like very decent.
Yesterday I was sitting like this.
Yeah. Now though we will take everything review. Life guys, look at this. At 4:30 a.m. we have woke up to go to a temple. Usually on tours we sleep till 9:30. But perks of being meditator. Hello. Okay. Full high tech. ലോക്ക് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? ലോക്ക് ചെയ്യണമല്ലോ. ഒന്ന് ലോക്കായി ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക് ലോക്ക്. Door is locked. This one also. And Tapeshana's favorite perfume.
Oh, thank you.
The morning. This is not night, guys. This is 4:30 a.m. Perks of being a meditator. No time to sleep. If there is a puja happening nearby temple, अपने को जाना है. देखना है कि consecrated है कि नहीं.
Exit the roundabout onto Tripolia Bazaar.
People from Jaipur, everyone knows about Govind.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Atish Market exit.
Guys, StyleCon fooled us. Unsubscribe from StyleCon. Do not follow Mr. Nusri. हमारी 1 घंटे की नींद तुमको जाने ठाकुर.
We know how we woke up. Like at 3:45, 3:40. After sleeping at 2.
1 घंटे की so.
We have to go from here.
I don't know. What do you have to say, Hopsagar?
I was very sleepy.
Very sleepy.
Wow, look at the food.
Oh.
Because it's
Look at the
close.
full moon.
Yeah, I saw the moon.
It's very beautiful.
I
Guru
was thinking
Purnima.
that because there is no temple, no? We go back and sleep also. I was thinking.
Oh.
But now we are going elsewhere. Where
We are going to Nargad
Yeah.
because booth देखना majesty है.
उल्टे पैर वाली चुड़ैल. Witch hunting. The Witcher.
The Witcher. Since second season is not releasing on Netflix,
Yeah.
हमने सोचा हम ही रिलीज कर देते हैं.
वो बाइक लेके वहाँ से डायरेक्ट पहुँच रहा है हेनरी कैविल.
अच्छा.
हाँ. The Witcher guy.
Witcher guy. जाने मेरा जाने मन.
Tell him to sing it. Tell
हाँ,
him to sing,
please
please.
sing.
That too at 4 in the
4 in the morning bus fight का पिया.
Let's manifest something nice, no?
Huh? What? Oh, he would have taken us to the city palace. Rani would be like, "Oh, who are you guys?"
Rani ji. Everyone, we are at Tharakeshwar temple. Okay everyone, that is the entrance of the temple. So we come straight like this and we reached the Nandi, the very beautiful Nandi, standing Nandi. Usually we see sitting Nandi. And then where the people are standing, that is where the linga is. Here, yeah. So usually in Kerala temples we cannot go inside the inner sanctum, but here we can even people can even touch the linga. So if you want, you can sit inside near the linga for some time, and then you can come here. There is a very beautiful Ganapati Murti. There is a Murti of Ganapati. Okay, and behind us is it Parvati? I don't know.
Mahakal Bhairav.
Mahakal Bhairav. We have a huge. What instrument is this? You will be knowing.
Some percussion.
Some percussion.
Don't know the exact name of it.
We do not know. There is some calendar art. Shiva, Parvati, and this is Ganapati and Devura Mahabharata. Therefore, Mahabharata is very bad history. This is actually Ganapati writing Mahabharata. I think that is what is being shown. Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Shambho Mahadeva Shambho Mahadeva Shambho Mahadeva Shambho Shiva 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 Shambho Shiva 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 Shambho Shiva 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 Shambho Shiva 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 Shambho Mahadeva Shambho Mahadeva Shambho Mahadeva Shambho Mahadeva Shambho Shiva 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 Shambho Shiva 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 Shambho Shiva 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 Shambho. Which Devi?
This is Kal. This is I think Mahakal. This is Kal Bhairav.
Oh, Kalbhairav.
The one which is like most used form of Shiva.
Right.
It's that. It's in a idol form.
Okay.
Normally it is in a stone form, but here it is in an idol form. It's like that. There is always a Kal Bhairav protecting the main sanctum of the like linga.
Right.
So this is that linga.
Oh, I didn't see this. Here it is.
This is Vishweshwar. Vishweshwar. Another form of Shiva. Vishweshwar is a different dimension of Shiva. So right now this temple is closed. It opens at a different time.
Oh.
Like probably at the time of
Aarti, yeah?
the Aarti.
So we'll be waiting for Aarti, which is at 5:30 a.m.
Hare
picture of Shiva. This is very old.
Oh,
Not of this time.
oh, yeah, actually.
Yeah.
And we have a linga here also. Finally, Volkswagen finds an instrument for his size, other than a guitar.
Sadhguru's voice.
Shiva, 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 Shivaya. Shiva, 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 Shivaya. Shiva, 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 Shiva.
That bicycle for that only.
Yeah, look at this guy.
It's very much fun.
He doesn't want to ride the bicycle up. Jugaad, Jugaad, Jaipur, Jugaad. Ramesh Anna, what do you have to say about this Jugaad of Jaipur?
This is Shambhu.
Guys, thug life. Na 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 na.
You can say something also. We can say something.
You're an Amazon. Coupon code चाहिए?
Amazon, nice yaar.
But I have software engineer jobs, so like not directly with.
Don't show the camera, guys. Amazon, we have got Amazon volunteer.
Yes, all is here.
Customer care कोई तो कोरोना को call करो.
Nice, you know?
What's the trouble when getting it from towing and taking it with me?
We are ragging Gauravanna for his towing experience. Repeat that Dandawal experience. What do you think happened to him?
What exactly happened? Tell me. Actually, you want me to tell?
Yeah.
Actually, what happened with Anna was that he was riding. Police wala hai, piche dab.
Joking.
It's okay. It can happen with anyone. No?
Lat, bump pe lat.
Nothing happened. Where did it happen?
In Tapesh Anna's dream.
Thug life.
Dream.
Oh. But where did the police thing happen? Not the danda.
I think 3-4 years ago, I went to buy some books. I think in the main city market. I parked it just. I was just seeing books, and till then they already took it. I'm like, get it back.
आओ कभी हवेली पे पुलिस.
That's the only experience you've had. Or many.
I forgot to more. I could remember exactly.
Oh, as if he's not remembering. That is a proper life.
There's something more than this. I'm sure.
That is why you're
Just normally buying some comics, the police came.
Comic book.
What
Yeah, comics.
you were peddling
Buying
something.
KVPY books.
You
I was in
actually
class
was checking the
7th.
tire, but police thought that ये खुद ही की स्कूटी से किसी स्कूटी से पेट्रोल निकाल रहा है. अरे मेरी स्कूटी है यार.
or weed or something. You were
I was buying class 11
बोला ना.
KVPY books. KVPY exam, no? I was buying books.
Buying books only to your bike.
You know why he's saying he's buying books? Because of this.
Sorry. I'll switch the. Sorry guys, I'll switch the camera off.
Even the spiritual books.
Spiritual book.
Inner engineering book.
Which book were you buying?
Don't know.
I know now. I know why police took my car.
Okay.
Buy good books.
If you want to be in good books of police.
Oh my god. This part I'll cut.
You should not trust him. If you tell him no, that this video please don't post, he'll post that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how he is.
And if you tell me to post, I'll post. So anyway, it's getting posted.
Post this, he won't post.
Oh.
Basically, now if you tell him, now if we use a reverse psychology and tell him post, then also he will think and post.
Actually, I was thinking, yeah, very nice. He's following Gary Vee like 10 posts every day.
Okay.
So he's so open, no? He doesn't care what he's posting. But then I realized, यार खुद का तो कुछ post नहीं करता, दूसरों का ही post करता रहता है. I'm like, what the hell is happening?
Gary भी खुद का post करता है.
Gary Vee posts about like his influence and everything. He's like posting everyone like this everything.
Somebody is taking the bike and उसका भी riding कर दिया.
And we are doing, what do we, Anna, please don't post it. And he's like,
Sitting in yeah.
right now,
This is all content. Chalo, we'll go have breakfast. Hava Mahal or something. This is not that. Anna, this is what? Jal Mahal. It is right in between water. Tapesh and I told you to stop to drink coconut water. Now we only got lime soda. Now what we'll do? Now go, let's go. Coconut water, no coconut water. It's a Mallu's right to drink coconut water daily.
definitely.
And you, आपका karma बढ़ गया.
Even I want to have. Let's see, we'll find.
And why haven't they put it over here? Actually, people get down over here. This
Yeah.
there. Finally, Gauravana Park. Let me take video of his scooter there. Just there, in front of our car. आज देंगे तपेश अन्ना रिव्यू. केरला का केरला से है.
आगे भैया.
Bombay shots.
बॉम्बे.
Please.
अरे कोई तो ले लो. There are two shops, one over there and another over here. I'm telling Tapesh Anna that you should start an Insta page, daily content. Post.
भैया स्टार न्यूज से हैं आप, अच्छा आएगा इसमें.
स्टार न्यूज यूट्यूब पे आएगा भैया. Look at Tapesh. Yesterday also he said something, no? What was that? Somewhere he said, in the City Palace, he's telling them something. എന്താ പറഞ്ഞ ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ?
What did I say?
You said something like this only. भैया बहुत बड़ा आर्टिस्ट है. He looked at me and like painting करता है. ये सब देख के पेंट करेगा.
No, he was saying that you are not allowed to take.
So you told him I'm
He's a painter only.
हाँ.
ये सबसे पहले बनाएगा देख के.
Yeah, we recently had some
मंडला.
Malai.
इसको ढाट छोटा
Who wants Malai? No. No. Ada.
Review.
Super.
Out of 10.
10. Super guy. Don't look at that. Look at me. I'm just kidding. We are at beautiful Jal Mahal. On the way to the Nargar Fort, you can see it. Stop and enjoy. You want to feed?
कितने का? कौन सा मिक्स है कि?
Volkswagen, don't you want to feed? No. What is this? Nice.
Let's see if somebody comes. Failed attempt.
Put down, no? താഴെ കുഴിഞ്ഞിരുന്നു നോക്കി.
No, I know. Give it to me.
This is your idea. Look at this. Camera. Volkswagen has been standing.
I'm hopefully standing. No, he was eating this.
He was eating what?
Behind the camera, he was eating this. We'll have breakfast in some time.
Volkswagen is having pigeon food. ഉണ്ടയാണ് ഇറങ്ങി പോടോ. Park. Finally. Show that. Show Gabi. But this is closed, huh? Jawahar Kala Kendra.
Yeah, people who are like, they are like related to art or they love art, usually they prefer to settle here because a lot of drama people, like there is a whole auditorium inside where, you know, people perform and all that. So like some actors, local actors, some classical dancers and all that, such people come here with coffee and all.
Like us, huh?
Yeah, exactly like you.
Or Volkswagen. अपना sing the song. मैंने मेरा जाने मन नहीं है बचपन का प्यार मेरा प्यार नहीं. Guys, actors wanted language 27 to 32 years old. Okay.
Everyone is under 20.
Under 20 only we are. Under 20 T20 team. Oh wow. What does it show? Any idea? It looks like some kind of story, I think. Wow. Wow.
This is Bhul Bhulaiya.
Sorry guys, nothing out here. Hopes. No hope.
Not even a view.
Not even a view.
Come on, there is a lot of view. See, terrace. No, not this terrace.
But not.
I have never come to this place. I don't even know if it's allowed to come here or not.
दिल में तू रहती है बेताबी कहती है
Yes.
You are supposed to sing the song. We do not even know the lyrics. You simply I think
He's deleting computer. Put behind camera.
not taking video, deleting the footage.
He's already deleted.
Bike drama with Gauravana. That will be my YouTube caption, guys.
Bike scenes.
Bike scenes. डंडे कब बम पे लगी
Big views and millions of views.
If he dies,
Then Arabs of views.
But why Arabs of you? I'm not climbing the Mount Everest.
No, you'll die, no? If you die.
डेली वीक में पहला मौत
हाँ.
महासमाधि नहीं
भानगढ़ जाने से पहले युवा की हुई मौत.
सतर्क रहिए
सतर्क रहिए.
Deep fall.
Huh?
Deep fall.
डिफॉल्ट वो
Deep fall.
डिफॉल्ट
Deep fall.
Deep fall. he
डीप
said.
फॉल अच्छा
Assassin's Creed.
there will be a hashtag down Assassin's Creed अर्जुन
Super Nirma बच गए.
I'll put it like he will jump from like a top like that into a hashtag कुछ नहीं
I
हुआ
haven't tried yet.
No, you at least try going from here to there. Yeah.
If I see that Akka who manages the cafe, I'll definitely go.
Akka, this is not the way, Akka. Come, we'll go there. We'll go there. Come. Don't second. तेरा ध्यान किधर है? ये तेरा. मित्रा मॉडल हमारा तपेश भाई.
समीर भाई क्या लगता है? What time will the
What time is it open?
uh,
Around 9, I think. 9 is probably open. This place is specifically built.
I specifically told him we'll go to the nearest Indian coffee house. It took us 10 kilometers away to Indian
know
because
why?
it is closed.
Because this place was specifically designed for doing yoga.
अच्छा
This place.
चलो अंक मार दे.
Let's start. So you can bother me like this.
no. That thing has to come.
And I'm not even kidding.
Huh?
It would be a very awesome reel. Some good background music. You do some pose. और मतलब there will be no one here. And no one is. अच्छा ठीक है.
Expose. This is how we make reels. No one will understand.
Now अब तो मतलब बोल देना तो करना पड़ेगा. Like now we have to do it.
जाने मेरे जाने मन तेरा बचपन का प्यार तू नहीं जान. Now this is the real vlog. Okay guys, it seems like the security guard has some problem against the Indian coffee house, but it's open.
It's finally open.
It's finally open. Where we'll sit?
You sit there. You can sit here also.
We'll sit here, no? You don't. Sit down. Sit.
ये हमारे ज्योति का प्लान.
Jyotish.
बताइए. I'll take. You sit.
Indian coffee
Tell
house.
them this is for you.
This is only for me, guys. I ordered a little too much.
But I will also have.
Yes.
ഒരു സ്പൂൺ തരാം. അല്ല സ്പൂൺ മതി, ഫോർക്ക് വേണ്ട.
जाने मेरा जाने मन. अरे नूडल्स बहुत सारे एग नूडल्स പൊളിയാണ് പൊളിയാണ്.
Very 10 out of 10.
ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറയണം.
Okay guys, so we have Gauravana with us. If you want Amazon എന്താണ് വേണ്ട കൂപ്പൺ കോഡ് മെസ്സേജ് ഇൻസ്റ്റാഗ്രാം ഹാൻഡിൽ ഗിവൺ now. What is your Insta handle?
GAURAAGA.
Mask.
My Instagram is GAURAAGA. Gauraga.
Now show his famous scooty. Romantic scooty. Okay.
എന്തൊരു പാവം.
This is like among the most richest people of Jaipur. It's known as Moti San's Tower. So it's a jeweler's shop, and it's like made of like colorful lotuses. You know?
Yeah, it's very beautiful. Ladies, buy some jewelry. Make him even more richer. Tapesh Anna can also buy and Nitin Anna can also buy some earrings.
Yeah.
Man, buy some jewelry. Make him rich.
Yeah. Even men can wear jewelry, right?
Yeah. We are trying to be politically correct over here. Please don't put it in comments. Hey everyone, we are at Vidhan Sabha.
All the government meetings, official meetings happen in this place. This is an SMS stadium.
Oh, okay.
You'll see those lights, no?
Yeah,
The
right.
cricket ground lights.
Can you tell what is the full form of SMS to the people?
Maharaja Savai Man Singh Stadium. It is named after the late king, Maharaja Savai Man Singh. Central Park.
Central Park.
Central.
Now, can you tell the history where, like you said, Jaipur is created by the same?
Yeah, the architect of Jaipur and Mysore city are same. So all the structure and designing, everything, it is quite similar to of Mysore. Be it the statue circle, be it the MI road, it's very similar to Mysore. And I was like, even like recently only I got to know. And when I visited Mysore, it was actually very similar. Like, very similarities in the whole, the way the city is planned. It's like that. This is the Central Park. This whole, it's
10 kilometers.
this is just one side of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is one side.
We have arrived at Statue Circle.
They maintain it very well.
Yeah,
It's very beautiful. I'm not sure about the statue, but this might be of Maharaja Savai Man Singh.
okay.
The statue.
It's beautifully maintained.
Yeah, it's, this is the Albert Hall, the one you're seeing right in front. And in this Albert Hall, there is a place called as Planetarium where you can experience the entire galaxies and everything.
Okay.
Like there is a show which has happened.
Oh, okay.
Your chairs turn like this,
Oh,
and they show you that whole planets and everything. This is Albert Hall.
are we going? The most
The famous MI Road lassi.
so unemotional. What is the specialty of it?
Specialty?
Longest lassi.
No, it is made of yogurt.
All lassis are made of yogurt, no?
That's the specialty.
Otherwise, how is it smell?
Otherwise, how is it? That would I also want to know.
It's made of.
Milk, which is made into yogurt, and then
How do you know that?
You want? Wait. I'll only do otherwise. Yeah.
इसमें से एक sugar free होना चाहिए.
Sugar free तीनों.
I will have sugar, no worries.
One sugar. You will have sugar. Sugar. 2 sugar, 1 sugar free.
Without sugar.
Unnecessary calories, no?
Yeah, but without. I'm having the first authentic taste I want to have, no? Without sugar, it won't have the taste,
Yeah,
na?
that is also true. Actually, the main one is closed.
Oh, which one is that? Lassi wala, this one?
This one. The famous since 1944.
अच्छा. But there are people sitting, but no one is taking from there.
काम करो sugar free ले आओ एक तो और एक मीठी ले आओ.
Finally.
we like it.
Yeah.
No, you have.
अल्ल पड़ी वीडियो कर. ये देखो.
नहीं
ये बगड़ा.
नहीं चाहिए.
100 रुपए really? One Akka asked me to buy that, but
No, so I'll wait for you also.
no, drink. Then my video will get.
Review. और जब तक वो मूंछों पे है ना तब तक मजा नहीं आता. I'll show you how I'll do.
I know, I can chuck it. Should I chuck it?
Yeah.
പതുക്കെ കുടിക്ക് വയറ് ഇതാകണ്ട ഇനി കഴിക്കാനുള്ളത്.
Yes. This is authentic.
मीठी वन.
Sugar free लाना.
शुगर फ्री नहीं मिलेगा आपको.
ले.
ओम गाइस, अल्टीमेट लस्सी इन राजस्थान, longest lassi. Robot defenders of the earth.
Not the longest.
Not the longest car. Longest car हमारे पास है. Okay, we are at Kanchan Kesari Village Resort, Tapeshana's own resort. To enjoy the Rajasthani culture and mostly the Rajasthani thali. Okay, we have 2 options, the Rajasthani thali and Punjabi one. These are the rates. 450 rupees and 3 timings, lunch, snacks and dinner. Okay, now we will go inside. Volkswagen is hoping he'll get a lot of food. Tapeshana is there. Yo. Dal the besan gadda tinda masala dal kadi aloo yastawa roti makaroni bajra roti chawal so chapli shakkarni mirchi prem papad aur gulab jamun. Yo Honey Singh, your boy Badshah and Puppet Kasana. Okay, everyone, camel ride. Shila.
Back to Shilar project.
Oh, back to Shilaru project in Rajasthan. Come. Adu kolla. Okay, guys, we are back to Shilaru project in Rajasthan. Miragna ka competition, tight competition.
आपको ये बनाकर कैसा महसूस लग रहा है? कल वैक्सीन की जगह आना यही बनाना दिखाएंगे वहाँ पे.
പുള്ളി പിടിക്കാനായിട്ട് അറിയാന്ന് തോന്നണേ. ആരെ Guys, Tapesh has 3 wives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, we have the rain dance, but some problem with the rain, I think. Our DJ is quite alone. This is the worst thing that can happen to a DJ. Oh no. Solitary DJ. But I can feel for him. When a DJ plays all around, we have to go and dance. That is what the rule says.
That is what.
Yes. So let's go and assist the DJ. Chalo. Chalo. No, we'll go play, dance and then we'll go. Chalo. DJ को थोड़ा company देते हैं. We are giving company to the DJ. अपने को रोटेट करना पड़ेगा डोनाल्ड डक को. और तेज करने के लिए अपन पहुंच गया है. तपेश ना गैस पे लग गया. झाड़िया मതി. We are gonna eat. What are we gonna eat? There is Volkswagen. Like there is Rajasthani thali. Yeah. We'll sit under the fan. तीन लोग. You sit on the ground?
No, stool लग जाएगा.
अच्छा ठीक है, okay. हाँ. But he can't sit now. But he can't sit now. We'll sit on the table. He.
we can we not sit here?
But I can sit for long.
Yeah. അത് വേണ്ട നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കാം. ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കാം. No, not false. Look, they had to arrange chair for Nitin Anna. He injured himself. Show your knee.
They saw me dance.
But it's paining now.
It's raining, it's hurting.
Yeah.
So, tell them.
No. We'll now food review. Rajasthani thali review. Tapeshana pura kha lenge.
I'll repeat it 3 times.
Is it?
Really?
Why not?
टेंशन आई भाई आप टेंशन दे रहे हो
Tinda masala.
हाँ टेंशन
Gatta.
Tinda masala.
टू मच पोलिंग
ये क्या है? मिर्ची.
Okay everyone, we have lot of dishes. नहीं भैया. Let's start with this. It's actually very nice. I don't know that. What is this Taveshana? You know what is this?
Gatta curry.
Katta curry.
Aloo gas.
Aloo pyaz.
Bito bath.
What is
There's
it?
a right now, not right now.
What is it?
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun. No one says no, but we said no. This aloo pyaz is actually very tasty.
So, no?
Aloo pyaz. Now, when the plate is empty, we'll come back. Oh my god. And last, it's actually the gulab jamun is very hot and very soft. You know, usually when we eat gulab jamun, it's quite hard. But from the look of it only, 1 second. Now with clean fingers. Nitin Anna, how did you find the gulab jamun?
I found it 10 out of 10. Anna. What about you?
10 out of 10.
No, liar. He didn't even know.
I had 5.
He was asking them for sugar-free gulab jamun. Anna, out of 10.
100. Man, according to the yogic diet, all forms of this is the best form of milk product you can have. Chas, that is buttermilk, not lassi, not milk.
If you want to have milk product, the least you can have is buttermilk. This is water.
Cheers. Water and chas. Volkswagen. Bought the shoes for Uttarakhand. जब तक ये शाहरुख खान Volkswagen. और जब तक ये शाहरुख खान in front of cattle.
दुनिया बुला के अरे show him ना Al. जब से मिला हूँ निकली है दिल से ये दुआ.
रंग दे दुओं दे केरुआ.
Please यार.
नाचे की बेने ए दुआ. रंग दे दुओं दे केरुआ.
So because of COVID situation, the flights got cancelled. So Vaishnav Anna is going to plan
Yes.
that he's
Camel
going to,
ride.
yeah,
Back.
from Camel he's going to Kerala.
ഇവിടെ ഒരു കാലം.
Hi Camel, what's up? Nice यार. इनका वजन ले लेगा नहीं? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है ना? Okay.
That is also coming.
Nice, come on. Woohoo!
अरे बाप रे. अरे बाप रे.
What's up? Look at Vaishnav Anna doing Facebook live on Camel. This is what dedication means. अच्छा आगे आ जाओ. इनको कैमल है ना घूर के देख रहा है.
And our D-Rock Tapesh. Gary Vee likes you, Tapesh Anna. He senses love. അമ്മ ഒട്ടക്കുട്ടന് ഒരു പേരിടണ്ടേ? വാട്ട് വിൽ ബി നെയിം ദ ഒട്ടക്കുട്ടൻ?
We'll call him
ഒട്ടകപ്പക്ഷി.
Can you tell everyone in which century are we?
We are in 15,000 years before the first.
we are yet to be born.
Before the first Himalayan upper hills.
I meant wildlife century.
अच्छा अच्छा. We are in Tapesh Palace. तपेश राजकुमार का बगीचे में है हम लोग. Okay, revenge on Shilaru project.
Yeah.
Since they did it.
So Vaishal does show his skills, what he learned in Shilaru.
It's already made.
Yeah. Done. Over. Thank you.
അണ്ണ കാല് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച്, കാലും കൈയും ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് അവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്ന കറങ്ങുന്നു.
बस उतना ही.
Come on. माटी का है कुमार से तू क्या रोंदे मोए इधर में ऐसा होवेगा
This is fake. I didn't even make it back.
रोंदूंगी तो
I just kept it. No, I like Shilaru more. ये अन्ना ने मुझे धोखा दिया.
Come on.
Okay, done.
Done? Thank you.
Guys, we are exiting. What is the review?
10 on 10.
10.
Yeah.
चलो.
The food is 100 on 10.
100 on. Volkswagen asked Tapesh Anna to teach him FIFA, but Tapesh Anna doesn't want to teach, so he just put the tutorial. And Nitin Anna is screwed. He's playing this for like 20 minutes now.
20 minutes. It is actually,
I've done.
He is actually trying to play kabaddi.
Kabaddi. അതെ പിന്നെ